Welcome to week 3 of making an indie game inspired by chess and MediEvil. This week I was mostly focused on the UI because I wasn't a huge fan of how it looked before. This is my second attempt and I'm a bit more pleased at how we're displaying all the information. I'm sure it will change a lot more as we continue to work on this game and add other elements, but let me know what you think about it so far and if you like the changes. While I was working on this, I also noticed a bug where you could still interact with the board while in inspection mode. It was pretty annoying because it would break the way the piece rests on the board. Luckily it was an easy fix. I just made an enum that tracks the state of the player and a function to modify it. Then I added a simple check to make sure we were in the right state before selecting a piece, and voila, fixed. Last thing we did this week is that we started working on the nameless soldier pieces. They're meant to look like simple villagers who grabbed whatever they could and went out to defend their homes. It's basically equivalent to the pawn in chess, not super powerful, but in the right situation you can turn the battle to your advantage. And that was it. A bit of a slow week, but we're also in the middle of designing what happens between each battle, so there's been a lot for us to consider and brainstorm about, since that's a big part of our core gameplay loop. Anyways, I'll be back next week for another progress report, so don't forget to follow and tell us what you think in the comments. Bye!